continue the lesson. Suli's English lesson started at 3:15 p.m. It ended at 5:15 p.m. How long was the lesson? Now let us observe that the minutes are the same. 3:15 and 5:15 both end at the 15th minute. So this is actually quite clear-cut. Okay, if a lesson started at 3:15, okay, and you add one more hour, it becomes 4:15. A second hour, it becomes 5:15. Now, what if you don't draw the number line and you just use your fingers for a shortcut method? Remember that you do not count 3:15 p.m. You always put the starting timing in your head and you start counting from the next number. So, you put 3:15 in your head, take out one finger, 4:15. Take out another finger, 5:15. So 2 fingers, so 2 hours. How long was the lesson? The lesson was 2 hours long. Okay, we count by the hour if the minutes are the same. Now, next question. What if the minutes are different? Now, the first thing you need to observe is, does it consist of more than 1 hour? So if this is 6:45, is this before or after 7:45? It is before 7:45, right? So how long did Anita spend on dinner? It is less than an hour. Okay? Now let us imagine in the clock, okay? Imagine 6:45, she finished her dinner at 7:20. We're going to count this area first because it's easy for us to count. 5, 10, 15. And we have already made a 7 o'clock. Okay? So from 6:45 to 7 o'clock is 15 minutes. Next, from 7 o'clock over here to 7:20, we count another 5, 10, 15, 20. And that's another 20 minutes. So we take 15 plus 20. That gives us 35 minutes on dinner. Okay? We always want to try and make the old clock to make things easier for ourselves to count. Okay? So 6:45 is 15 minutes to 7 p.m., which is here. 6:45 is 15 minutes to 7 p.m. If I were to pull the minute hand here. And 7 p.m. is 20 minutes to 7:20 p.m. Okay, so you take 15 minutes plus 20 minutes. Next question. Arun's plane took off at 11:28 a.m. Now I want you to imagine what time is 11:28 a.m. What are you doing at 11:28 a.m.? Are you sleeping? Are you in school? Or at home or getting ready to sleep? 11:28 a.m. That's right, you're in school having lessons. Okay? It's probably, if it's on a Friday, it's after your recess, before your lunch. Okay, so his plane took off at 11:28 a.m. This is in the morning. The plane landed at his destination at 4:47 p.m. How long was Arun's flight? Now, we know that this will actually cross 12 noon. That is 12 p.m. The timing where you will still be in school. And after 12 p.m., that is 1 p.m. And we have 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m. Okay? So let us take a look. Okay? We know that this definitely consists of more than 1 hour. Okay, so let us count first. 11:28 a.m. we need to change it to p.m. first so that you don't end up writing 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and you realize that you cannot reach 4. Okay, so 11:28 to 12:28, that is 1 hour. Now this is noon time already, so take out your finger and count. 12:28, you put it in your head. Let's go 1:28 p.m., 2:28 p.m., 3:28 p.m. and 4:28 p.m. Now that is 4 hours. We do not want to continue to 5:28 p.m. because it will overshot the end timing. Okay, so we stop here at 4:28 p.m. Okay, And we just take 47 minutes minus this 28 minutes. Okay? And you will get over here 19 minutes. If you want to do something which is easier, now 28 is very close to 4:30. Am I right? 4:30 is somewhere here. The minute hand will be at number 6. Okay? So you make 2 minutes here, and it is easier for you to count from 30 to 47 minutes. Okay, the 47th minute, from 30 to 47, you can see here, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. This is 17 minutes. So 2 plus 17 is 19 minutes. So we have 1 plus 4 hours, that is 5 hours, plus 19 minutes. So how long was Arun's flight? It was 5 hours and 19 minutes long. Notice that minutes doesn't have the S behind. Okay, now that would be all for this part. Can all of you turn to the next page of your textbook, page 93, and spend about 4 to 5 minutes doing it. Miss Dora will go through the answer.